Hello and welcome to This Thing's Got Problems. I'm Eric. Welcome to the channel. This little preview video is to show you what we do here. The thing that has problems today is this road glide right here and the level of crust that it has, it's accumulated over the course of its time just sitting outside. What we're gonna do is make it shiny. I have a couple of videos on how to do this. Go back and check them out. But until then, let's give you an abbreviated version and go. All right, so sand her down. Using like 120 there. Then sand it again with something a little finer. I think I had like 220. Now I'm gonna step up the sandpaper. Go left to right, don't go up and down. It looks weird. This is 320 grit. Get the 3M, it's good. It doesn't clog as fast. Remember, side to side, no uppy downy. Ah, the difference already. Now, if you want to, you can just clear coat it right there and it looks stock. If you want to go a little finer, like a Scotch Brite pad. Side to side, no uppy downy. Go faster. Ugh, that's the one side. And here's the slightly gooder side. It's gonna get better. We're gonna bring in some more machinery. Get an old buffing pad. Get one you don't really care about. Slap some mothers on there. Tried and true, it's been around forever. Works great. Give her hell. It's bouncing because I'm using one hand. Use two hands. Polish it up. Yeah, look at the difference, huh? Take it all in, people. Bad, no good. Good, shiny. You also have to maintain this now. You should have been to begin with, but you're gonna have to keep some polish on it. And then you see the side by side, and I realize that I now have to do that all over again to even them out. Fantastic. Nothing I love more than polishing forks. It's great. I love it. Had to do the same treatment to the wheel. I did everything but the machine polish because you don't want your wheels looking like chrome, because then you got to do the back one to match it, and it's just a pain. Just cleaned it up a bit. But there you go. Thanks for checking out the channel. Go back and look at all the other videos and a more detailed how-to. For liking and subscribing, and we'll see you next time.